student. Today we will discuss about the solid state, and the last video we have calculated the number of atom in SCC, BCC and FCC. Number of atom in SCC is 1, number of atom in BCC is 2 and number of atom in FCC is 4. And today we will discuss about the packing efficiency or the packing fractions. So what is means of packing fractions or packing efficiency? Actually, the atom or molecule present at the corner as well as the face point or the body point of the cube. So how much part of the cube is occupied by the atom and how much part of cube is vacant? Means the ratio of the occupied part of the cube and the rest part of the cube is called the packing efficiency, or you can say it is packing fraction. So first of all, we'll discuss about the packing fraction in case of SCC, simple cubic system, BCC, body cubic centered, and FCC, face cubic centered. So this is packing efficiency. It is defined as the ratio of atom, the ratio of the volume occupied by atom of cube and the total volume of the cube This is the ratio of the volume of the atom occupied in the cube and the total volume of the cube. This ratio is known as the packing efficiency. So packing efficiency may be written as packing efficiency is equal to volume of atom, volume occupied by the atom in unit cell, volume occupied by atom in unit cell upon total volume of the unit cells. Total volume of unit cell. So this is the formula for calculating the packing efficiency, or in the mathematical form we can write packing efficiency is equal to small v upon capital V into 100 for the fraction into the percentage form. Packing efficiency is equal to volume V. Small v is taken for the volume occupied by atom unit cell and capital V is taken as the total volume of unit cell, and into 100 this is the percentage fractions. So we can write here small v is equal to where small v volume occupied by atom unit cell in unit cell and capital V is equal to total volume of unit cells So packing efficiency is the ratio of the volume occupied by atom to the total volume of the unit cell. Is it clear? So first we will calculate the packing efficiency in case of SCC, simple cubic centered, followed by FCC and BCC. So first packing efficiency in SCC. packing efficiency in SCC, simple cubic centered. So we require the volume of atom occupied in the unit cell and total volume. Then we can calculate the packing efficiency. So for here you can see just like the cube unit cell. This is x, y, z axis and it is edge length is A and A. Now the volume at the corner, it may be represented in this manner. Consider these atoms are touches to each other. Just like here. The two atoms touches to each other. And the radius from here and this distance is A and radius here R and here is R. So A is equal to 2R. In case of simple cubic centered, the radius is A is equal to 2R. So you will see here, this is the two atoms of the corner touches to each other and the distance is A and the radius of these two atoms or sphere is R and R. So A is equal to 2R. Why we are going to calculate A? Because volume V is equal to, we know that V is equal to AQ, A and A. So when we have the value of A, we can calculate the total volume of the cube. Is it clear? Very simple. When we have the value of A, so we can calculate the total volume of the unit cell. Why? Because V is equal to AQ, X, Y, Z axis. So now we are coming to calculate the packing efficiency. Packing efficiency is equal to small v upon capital V into 100. So what is the, first of all, just write down, let A be the edge of cube, R is the radius of the sphere or atom, you can say, R the atomic radius, R is equal to atomic radius and V is equal to volume of the unit cells. Capital V is equal to volume of unit cell. V is equal to volume of unit cell. Now, in case of, first of all, we will put the value of small v. So, what is the number of atom in SCC per unit cell? You know that number of atom per unit cell in SCC is 1. And we are considering here atom is the sphere. So, what is the volume of sphere? This is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So, the volume of, first of all, this is number of atom in SCC, number of atom in SCC, we have calculated already this, is equal to 1. So volume of one sphere, obviously clear that 4 by 3 pi r cube. So we have to find out already this V value. Number of atom in SCC is 1. So volume of one sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now we need the total volume of the cube. So total volume V is equal to A cube and the A value is equal to 2R. So 2R cube is equal to 8R cube. So total volume we have to find out. This is 8R cube. Now put the value in this formula. So here packing efficiency is equal to V value is 4 by 3 pi r cube upon this is 8 r cube into 100. So we can write here this is packing efficiency is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube into 8 r cube into 100. So r cube r cancel and 4 2 is 8. So packing efficiency is equal to pi by 3 2 is 6, pi by 6 into 100. We know that pi value is equal to 3.14 upon 6 into 100. We can write 314 upon 6. So 6 5 is 30. Now 1 and 4 is, so 6 2 is 12. Now 6 4 is 24. So this is 52.4%. This is the packing efficiency in case of SCC. Means 52.4% of the unit cell is occupied by the atom in SCC. So what is the backend part of the cube or unit cell? So you can calculate here, that is occupied part of the cube is equal to 52.4% and backend part of cube how do you calculate? 100 minus 52.4. So this is 0.6 and now this is 0.6 and 900, this is 52.4, 6, now 9 2, this is 7 and here 4, 47.6% is backend part. You can calculate here 52.4. This is 47.6% is unoccupied part or the backend part. 47.6% is backend part in case of SCC. So you can calculate very easy. In case of the SCC, the number of atom in per unit cell is 1 because atom is present only at the corner. So we can find here the edge length A value, A is equal to 2R. Now 2R cube is equal to 8R cube. This is the V is equal to A cube. So we have to find out already this, the total volume of V. And one atom in one unit cell, this is one value, one atom, 4 by 3 pi R cube volume. And divide and calculate, you will get here, this is the 52.4% is the occupied part and rest part, this is 47.6% is the unoccupied part. Is it clear? Next we will discuss about the packing efficiency in BCC, body cubic centers. And in case of the SCC, we have discussed already, the A is equal to 2R. So radius of, in case of SCC, A is equal, R is equal to A by 2. Keep in mind because question arises on the radius. So A's length is equal to 2R. So R is equal to A by 2 in the case of SCC. Now the BCC, body cubic centers. Packing efficiency in body cubic center, this is BCC. So how do you calculate the body packing efficiency in BCC? So from here, this is the cube. In case of BCC, atoms are not only present at the corner, atoms are also present at the body point. Body point means the imaginary point which intersect from both the side of the cube is called the body point. So in this case, the cube atom is not present only at the corner, atom is also present at the cube, at the body point. So atom is, this is here at the corner, total 8 corner. Total 8 corner. You can write here A, B, C, D, E, F, G and S. Total 8 corner. And now one atom present at the body point, this point. And one atom is present at the BCC body point. So we are going to calculate this point. This point. This is A's length is A here, A, and now this is first. So we have the value of here. Now the two triangle is formed here. You will see here triangle AFD. If you have the value of this value FD, so you can calculate the value of here. We are taking this is A, and this is B value. Now this is C. Again, keep in mind. Here, say carefully. This is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. 8 atom present at the corner and 1 atom at the body point. So we are going to calculate the efficiency in BCC. So we should have the value of this. How do you calculate? These are the two A's, A, and this is C. If you have the value of this B, the two triangle form here. This is triangle AFD and the triangle EFD. So in case of, if you want to calculate the value of C, you must have the value of B. So first we will calculate the value of B from here. So in triangle EFD, this is FD square from the PGT. FD square is equal to FP square plus ED square. This is FD square is equal to FP square plus ED square. FD square, this is B. So B square is equal to FP square. This is A, and at the ED square, this is A also. So A square plus A square is equal to 2A square. So B square is equal to 2A square, or B is equal to √2A. Now in triangle AFD, FA square is equal to FD square plus AD square. So FA square is equal to C square is equal to FD square, FD B square, and plus AD square, this is A square. And the value of B square from here you can see this is 2A square. So put this value, C square is equal to 2A square plus A square, or C square is equal to 3A square. Now C square is equal to 3A square, or we can say here C is equal to √3A. C is equal to √3A. So we can put the value of C from this structure. You will see here the value of C is equal to, here this is R, and R. Total how much R? 1, 2, 3, 4. So C is equal to 4R. C is equal to 4R. So C 4R is equal to 4R is equal to √3A. 4R is equal to √3A. So from here we can calculate the radius in case of the BCC. So R is equal to √3 by 4A. R is equal to √3 by 4A. So keep in mind the radius in case of the BCC, root 3 by 4a. Is it clear? So we are going to calculate A's length, because if we have the value of A, we can calculate the total volume V. Is it clear? Total volume of V can be calculated with the help of the A value. So A is equal to, from here, A is equal to 4, A is equal to 4 by root 3 R. R A cube is equal to, this is A is equal to V, R is equal to 4 by root 3 A cube. So you have to calculate the total volume of the cube. Is it clear? First of all, we have calculated this value of B. There are two triangle formed, AFD and EFD. So from the triangle EFD, we have to calculate the value of B. Now we can calculate the value of C from this triangle AFD. So FA square is equal to FD square plus AD square. So C square is equal to B square plus A square. B square value is equal to 2A square and A square, that is 3A square. Or C is equal to simply root 3A. So from this you can calculate the radius in case of the BCC. Radius in case of BCC is equal to root 3 by 4A. R A is equal to 4 by root 3 R. R A Q, that is the V. V is equal to 4 by root 3 A and Q. So we have to calculate the total volume of the unit cell. Now we will put the value in the packing efficiency formula. So we know that packing efficiency is equal to small v upon capital V into 100. So packing efficiency, find out from this formula, small v upon capital V into 100. So small v, what is the number of atom in BCC? This is 2. One from the body point and 8 atom present at each corner. So participations of one atom is 8 into 1 by 8 and plus 1. So 8 cancel, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So total atom is in number of atom in BCC is 2. So write down the value of the volume of the 2 atom. Packing efficiency is equal to, this is 2 into 4 by 3 pi R cube upon, this is the total volume V, capital V, it is given 4 by root 3 R cube, total cube. So you can calculate from here, this is packing into 100. So calculate yourself this packing efficiency after calculations. You will see this is 8 by 3 pi R cube. Now here 64 R cube upon 3 root 3. So calculate yourself. After calculating, it is found that into 100, 68%. So packing efficiency, calculate yourself. This is 68% is occupied by atom in the BCC. 68%, the part of cube is occupied by the atom present at the corner as well as the body point. So first you calculate the volume of atom occupied. This is 2 into 4 by 3 pi R cube. Total volume we have to calculate from the edge length A, 4 by 3 R cube. So we have already mentioned, put the value, and after calculating you will found the packing efficiency in case of this is 68%. So how much part of the cube is occupied by the atom and how much part is vacant? So here you can write the occupied part of the cube or unit cell. Occupied part is equal to 68% and the vacant part is, this is 32% is vacant part. So this is the ratio of the occupied part by the atom of the cube and the total volume of the cube, and we have calculated occupied and vacant part of the cube. So this is called the packing efficiency in case of the BCC. Now we'll discuss about the packing efficiency in the FCC, phase cubic center. Phase cubic center. Packing efficiency in FCC, phase cubic center. So from here, from the cubic structure, we can show the efficiency in case of the phase point. In case of FCC, atom is not only present at the corner, atom is also present at the face of the cube. Just like face we are taking here, this is, and this is. You will see here A, B and C, and the triangle form here A, B, C. So we are taking edge length A, now here the B. So B can be calculated, and you can find out with the help of this B, you can calculate the total volume of the cube and then put the value of small v and calculate the packing efficiency. So in this case, you will see this is triangle ABC. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC square is equal to B square is equal to A square plus A square. Sorry, one atom is present at this phase point. This is BC. In phase, the atom is present at the one faces here, all the faces. So we are taking from one side here. This is present at the face of the cube. So this structure you can calculate the value of B. So here B square is equal to 2A square, or B is equal to root 2A, or the value of B is equal to, from here you can calculate R and R, total 4R. So B is equal to 4R is equal to root 2A. Or from here you can calculate the radius in case of FCC. R is equal to root 2A by 4. This is the radius in case of the FCC, phase cubic center. This is the radius in case of the FCC. But we are going to calculate edge length A. With the help of this, we can calculate the total volume of the unit cell. So A is equal to, from here, A is equal to 4 by root 2 R. Sorry, 4 by 2 root R. Now we can multiply above and below by root 2. So here you will see A is equal to 4 into root 2 R upon 2 root 2 into root 2. This is root 2. So A is equal to 4 root 2 R upon 2 to the 4. This is A value is equal to 2 root 2 R. This is edge length value. So with the help of this, you can calculate the volume of the unit cells. Total volume. So what would be the total volume? Total volume V is equal to A cube. This is 2 root 2 R cube. This is total volume. We have to find out. Now put the value in case of the packing efficiency. What is formula? Packing efficiency is equal to small v upon capital V into 100. So small v, what is the number of atom in the case of FCC? Obviously clear that 4. So 4 into 4 by 3 pi R cube upon total volume 2 root 2 R cube into 100. So after calculating, you will find this is packing efficiency is equal to 74% in case of FCC. You can calculate yourself. This is the packing efficiency in case of the FCC, phase cubic center. This is 74% is the occupied part, and how much part is the vacant part? This is occupied part is equal to 74% and vacant part this is 26%. So these are the packing efficiency in case of the SCC, BCC and FCC. Try to solve, calculate yourself, and a number of questions have been given to the radius of the SCC, BCC, FCC as well as the packing efficiency itself. Questions arises most of the time in the board examination. So try to solve yourself. It's a very simple. And the next term we will discuss about the radius ratio, radius of cation and anions. So try to solve, and question already given in the NCERT book, you should try to solve it. Thank you.